Royal County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Allentown in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Fort, Ennis, Wilson, Allentown, Nazareth, Harmony, Belfast, West Houston, and Academy. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 59 and 76. Interstate 70 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Northeast extension between mile markers 47 and 51. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles